education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our first question. Divide the polynomial p of x. So they are given p of x here with g of x and find the quotient and remainder in each case. So find the quotient and remainder. So as we know, that is dividend will be equal to divisor into quotient. So quotient plus remainder. So this is the formula of division algorithm. So let's take what they are asking here is, let's find out, that is p of x, they are given that. So let's take p of x is the dividend and divisor is g of x into q of x plus remainder of x. So we have to find it q of x and remainder in this case. So let's write what is the p of x here. The p of x by g of x we have to do, that is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 whole divided by x square minus 2. So this is the value. Let's find what is actual division here. So x square minus 3x square. So what is that here? X cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 into, that is x square minus 2. So how to do this one? So actually we have to take first term x cube here with the first term here. So what is that? X cube by x square, what you will get? X. So if you are going to cancel, then you will get x square once are then x. So x times. So do this one with here. So x. So x square into x, what we will get? Actually we will get x cube. So minus, this one is minus 2 into x whole divided by, what is this? So x cube, let's going to subtract, then symbols will going to change. So here x cube will going to cancel and write this one as it is, minus 3x square plus 2x, this one as it is we will get down, that is 5x. So this is the value. So what we will get, this one, if you added this one to this, what we will get? So this is actually minus 3x square plus 7x. So this is the value. Then again we have to multiply. So minus 3x square plus 7x we have got. So actually this is 1. So this one keep it in a box. Why? Because this is the, we are added and we got it as 3x square plus 2x plus 5x, then it will become 7x. Then what is that next step? So here minus 3x square is there. So minus 3x square by x square. If you do cancellation, we will get minus 3. So here minus 3. So multiply with that minus 3, what we will get? So minus 3x square, minus into minus will become plus, 6 to the, that is, what is this? So plus 3 to the 6. Then here we will going to cancel as usual. The cancellation will be here, what it will become? Subtraction means it will going to subtract. So this one will going to cancel. Then 7x minus 6 minus 3. So here we will get this one down in the next step. So 7x and 6 we should not subtract, 7 minus 6, 1x like that. So x means then only x variables. So constant means constants. So it will be there, keep it in a bracket, and what is the actual value? So this value will be equal to, what is that? 7x. So minus 6 and, so actually here minus 6 minus 3, what we will get? Minus 9. Is there any other terms? That's all. So 7x minus 9. Then what is the quotient and what is the this one? So we will write this formula in the format of, therefore p of x will be equal to g of x into q of, that is q of x plus r of x. So this is 7x minus 9 is the 7x minus 9 is the r of x and this is q of x. So what is the q of x? Let's write, therefore, so g of x into q of x is x minus 3 plus r of x is 7x minus 9. So this is p of x. So therefore what you can write it here is, let's write the quotient. So quotient will be equal to q of x will be equal to x minus 3 and remainder. So remainder will be, that is r of x will be equal to 7x minus 9. So these are the answers, like this we have to find. Thanks for watching. please subscribe. Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. As usual, first question we have to do divisions and we have to find the what is that quotient and remainder. So let's write P of x by G of x. So what is that? P of x is equals to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 whole divided by G of x is x square plus 1 minus x. So do division here. Let's write x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Here we'll do division like x square plus 1 minus x. So we have to do this one in the format of what is that ascending order of the variables. So let's write, or you can write it like x square minus x plus 1. Why? Because we have to do in a ascending order of with the degree of the monomials. So this one you can write it as x square plus 1 minus x. You can write it as x square minus x plus 1. From this we are writing this one. So we will do actual division with this. With this we will do actual division. So actually here what they are given here is first term is what? X power 4. First term is as x square. So x power 4 by x square if you do means we will get x square. So let's write here x square and multiply with the x square these terms. So x square x to the power 4 minus x into plus x square minus x cube, then plus 1, that is plus x square, 1 into x square 1 square. Let's write this one. So symbols will going to change for all this. Why? Because we will do subtraction. So plus x power 4 minus x power 4 will going to cancel. Let's write this one. So what is this? So with two terms we are done, right? So 3x square and minus x square. Write with this one as, so we will write continuously, that is x cube minus 3x square minus x square, and this one is there. Again we will take it down this one as, so 4x we will going to take down, s plus 4x. So these one simplified after this. So we have to keep this one in a box. So this one we are going to simplify the next step. We will write as it is. This is x cube minus 3x square minus x square minus 4x square plus 4x. So this is the actual one. So from this we will going to do division again. So x cube, here x square is there. So x cube by x square, what will get? X. So x square once, then x will be remainder. So plus or plus only. Plus, what is that? Plus x. So plus x we are going to multiply all these terms with the this left side one. So plus x into x square, that is x cube, minus x plus x minus x square, plus 1 into x plus x, whole divided by, this one we are going to change the symbols. So here minus, here plus, here minus. So plus x cube minus x cube will going to cancel. So here minus 4x square and my plus x square minus 3x square we will get. Why? Because 4 plus 1, minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. Then again here plus 4x and minus x. So that is plus 3x. Again we will take down this one as 5. So plus 5 we will take down. Next what we can take it here is, so let's take here minus 3x square is there. For this what we will take? Minus 3x square is the first term in this. So here by whole divided by, what is the first term here? X square. So x square will going to cancel minus 3. So here minus 3, right? Minus 3 into x square minus 3x square. Again minus into minus will become plus. Then x into 3, 3x. Then plus 1 into minus 3, that is minus 3, whole divided by, here we are going to change the symbols. So plus, minus, plus. So minus 3x square plus 3x square will going to cancel. Then 3x and plus 3x minus 3x will going to cancel. Plus 5 plus 3 will become 8. So this is q of x, this is r of x. Therefore, what you can write here is p of x will be equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. This is the remainder theorem. So division algorithm. So p of x, that one you can write it as g of q of x is equals to what? That is quotient x square plus x minus 3. Then remainder r of x will be equal to 8. So this is the values what we need to find it. We can substitute here also. Like this we need to find. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module we are going to discuss our third one, what they are given. So P of x, they are given that. So we need to do the division P of x by G of x, that is x power 4 minus 5x plus 6 whole divided by 2 minus x square. Based on the degree of the given expression, we have to write it in ascending order. This one you can write it in the format of G of x, you can write it minus x square plus 2. With this we will do division, whatever. So let's going to write x power 4 minus 5x plus 6 divided with x minus x square plus 2. So what we have to do here? So first one, x power 4 and minus x square. Let's going to do with the minus x square. So here x square minus x square we will get. So x square and 2, here we will get x square minus, why minus is important. So minus right here is minus here minus x square. Minus x square multiply with this. So minus into minus will become plus, that is x power 4. Then minus into 2, that is minus 2x square. Divided by symbols will going to change for this. So plus x power 4 and minus x power 4 will going to cancel. Now we will write 2x square minus 5x. This 6 will be getting down. So plus 6. Now what is there here? So again here first term 2x square is there here. So based on this we will write, so minus x square. So x square will going to cancel, minus 2. So we have to write here minus 2. So minus into minus become plus 2x square. Then minus into, so minus 2 we are multiplying with all the terms. So plus into minus minus, then 2 to the 4. Then what we are getting here is, so let's take here symbols will going to change, that is minus here become plus. So plus 2x square minus 2x square will going to cancel. Then minus 5x. So plus 6 and plus 4. What is there? We are doing addition of these two. We cannot do x. Why? Because here there is no x. So plus 10. So is there any other terms? No. This is the final thing. So what is this here? So this is q of x. This is r of x. Let's going to write the expression as the given. That is, so p of x will be equal to g of x into q of x. That is quotient plus remainder r of x. So what is the quotient here? The quotient is q of x will be equal to minus x square minus 2. Then what is the r of x? So what is the remainder? Minus 5x plus 10. So this is the required values. Like this we have to find. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.